Craving restaurant-quality results without the outdoor mess? Best air fryer for steak models bring high heat and even airflow right to your counter. These appliances create juicy centers with crisp exteriors using far less oil than traditional methods, making weeknight dinners faster and cleaner for busy households. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. This model stands out for anyone who wants consistent high-heat performance when cooking steak and other proteins. Its TurboBlaze system spins a fan at 3,600 RPM and reaches temperatures as high as 450 degrees Fahrenheit, circulating hot air so thoroughly that the outside develops a satisfying crust while the inside stays tender and moist, crowding. Yet the overall footprint remains compact enough for most countertops or cabinets. A PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating on the basket and tray improves durability and heat resistance, while supporting healthier cooking with up to 95% less oil than deep frying. Operation stays quieter than many competitors, staying under 53 decibels even at top speed, so the kitchen remains peaceful. Cooking times are shortened by the powerful airflow, which is helpful on busy evenings. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the non-stick surfaces. The only minor drawback is that the larger capacity may feel oversized for single diners, but for households seeking reliable, even results on steaks and everyday favorites, this unit delivers solid value and lasting convenience.
Number 2. Ninja Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. When steak is the priority, this versatile unit combines indoor grilling with air frying power in a way few others match. Cyclonic air heated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit moves across the grill grate to create authentic sear marks and smoky flavor without needing an outdoor setup or producing heavy smoke indoors. The built-in Smart Cook system uses a dual sensor thermometer along with 4 protein presets and 9 doneness levels, so rarely suits apartments or kitchens where outdoor grilling is impractical. Users who value precision will appreciate how the thermometer removes the stress of checking doneness repeatedly. Build quality feels sturdy for regular use, and the multiple functions expand its usefulness well past steak night. A small limitation is that the full range of features may take a short learning period to master. Yet once dialed in, the consistent results and generous capacity make this a strong long-term choice for anyone serious about indoor steak preparation and multifunction cooking.
Number 3. Emeril Lagasse 26-quart French Air Fryer. Large capacity and multifunction flexibility define this appliance for cooks who regularly prepare steak alongside bigger meals. The 26-quart interior handles everything from quick snacks to full roasts, while the dual-speed fan drives 360 degrees superheated air that promotes even browning and crisp exteriors on proteins. Stainless steel construction gives the exterior a polished look that fits well in open kitchens or when entertaining in a single session. Build quality emphasizes durability and visual appeal, making it suitable for frequent hosts. Operation stays relatively straightforward once familiar with the controls. One practical note is that the larger footprint requires more counter or storage space than compact models, yet the ability to handle generous portions and varied cooking styles offers clear value for families or anyone who wants an all-in-one solution that elevates everyday steak dinners into more impressive spreads without sacrificing convenience.
Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This full-featured toaster oven with dedicated air fry capability brings reliable high-heat performance to steak preparation and beyond. An 1800-watt system and Air Advantage technology use a top-mounted fan and heater to move hot air efficiently, producing fast, crispy results that lock in flavor. Temperature adjusts from warm settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff and a toast shade selector add control. Grill and warm, giving genuine versatility.
Accessories such as an oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and reversible griddle expand options further, and the stainless steel interior simplifies cleaning. The overall design feels solid and premium for regular kitchen use. A minor consideration is that the broader form factor occupies more counter space than slim basket-style fryers, yet the combination of capacity, precise controls, and multiple cooking modes makes it a practical choice for households that want one appliance capable of handling steak with consistent texture as well as everyday baking and toasting needs.
Number 5. Chefman Air Fryer 6-quart Compact Air Fryer. Compact design meets practical performance in this 6-quart model suited to smaller kitchens or moderate steak portions. Digital touch controls and 4 preset functions allow quick selection of time and temperature, while the high fry feature raises heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for the final 2 minutes to intensify surface crispness on steaks or fries. The narrow footprint maximizes internal space for 3 to 5 servings, yet keeps the unit easy to store on account of even browning. The non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe, and the matte black exterior wipes clean easily. Automatic shutoff activates when cooking finishes or the basket is removed, adding a layer of safety. Build quality is straightforward and functional rather than overly complex. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.